Hey there, Puzzle Masters! Welcome to the Emoji Gaming. Today, we're diving into a world of letters and numbers with 22 exciting levels. But first, hit that subscribe button to join our channel, and let's test your skills and have some fun. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, find the odd letter among these fun wooden E's. There it is. The letter F was hiding right here. Can you spot the different number right here? Brilliant! This number 8 looks a lot like 3, but it's different. At first glance, these all seem like the number 5, but one is not like the others. Find it. Indeed, the number 3 was hiding among the 5s. Can you guess the number hidden in these 3 emojis? Yes, N plus I plus. N sounds like 9. Find the number 9 hidden among lots of letters. Did you see it? The 9 was sneakily hiding there. What number is hidden in this green forest illusion? Sharp eyes. It's 911 camouflaged in the greenery. Find the odd number among these cheesy numbers and mice. Aha! The number 1 was pretending to be cheese. Can you guess the number from these 2 emojis? Absolutely right. C and X sounds like 6. Spot the different number among these 9s. Look closely. The number 6 was trying to blend in. It's cookie time. Find the odd letter among these M's. Nicely spotted. The letter N was masquerading as an M. Guess the number from these 2 emojis. Exactly. F and OR sounds like 4. Find the different number among bunnies and carrot numbers. You got it. The number 1 was hopping among the 4s. These soap bubbles form letters. Find the odd letter among the U's. Well done! The letter N was bubbled up in disguise. Can you guess the number from these 2 emojis? Spot on! A and T sounds like 80. Hot tea and delicious chocolate. Find the odd number among chocolate 8s and aromatic teacups. There it is. The number Zil was cooling off among the 8s. Dive into the ocean depths. Find the different letter among these sea letters Q. Great job! The letter O was floating among the Qs. Among a multitude of numbers, find the letter Q. A tougher challenge. Did you spot the elusive Q? Guess the number from these two emojis. Fascinating. Fort and Y sounds like 40. Find the different number among watermelon emojis and watermelon numbers. Sharp observation. The number 2 was hiding in plain sight. Find the odd letter among these fiery emojis and fire letters. Did you catch it? The letter D was ablaze among the Bs. Guess the number from these two emojis. Of course, hand and red combine to make 100. Find the odd letter among these grassy letters. Well hunted! The letter C was green with envy among the Gs. Okay, friend, how many levels did you pass? Write in the comments and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to watch new unique quizzes. See you!